welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. It's Michelle. Today I have the Nudes by Juvias Place. You know I love nudes. They have two regular mattes, a pressed pigment, and 3 shimmers. I'm not going to use the pressed pigment because I have sensitive eyes and I'm not sure how that'll work. Let me get you some swatches though. This is the top row. Very sheer. And I dug my fingers in. That's the top row. Bottom row. That's the bottom row. So that's what the palette looks like. My detail blending. I'm gonna go into this shade right here and put it in my outer V. I prep my eyes with a paint pot called Vintage. It's kind of like a peachy, sparkly kind of color. There is pigmentation, not like some shadows, but it is there. Gonna go in with my, what is this called? It's a Sigma Diffuse Crease Brush. And I'm gonna go into this color right here and try to lay down some color. That looks good. Then I have one of these little things, and instead of using my finger, I use one of these, or else the shadow rubs up my eye, and it's not a good deal. And I'm gonna go into this shimmer shade right here and put that all over the lid. That's pretty. So far, so good. Now I'm going to add my mascara. It's the CoverGirl Exhibitionist. I don't like the wand on this. I usually end up getting mascara all over the place. And that's it, that's my look. In case you're wondering, the blush I have on is from the Diamond Palette Dahlia. It's this one right here. It's this one, the blush I have on is this one right here. And I have this highlight on. For my lipstick, I have Charlotte Tilbury, In Love with Olivia. That's it. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell, the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.